Have you ever considered getting involved in real estate investing and just stopped and thought, wait, I'm too old to get started? I feel you. I was there just 14 short years ago when I started, and it took me forever to make the decision to just take the first step. My name is Mercedes Torres. I'm the Turnkey Girl, and I help busy professionals create passive income through real estate investing so they can retire even sooner. So I'm going to share a story with you about two clients of mine, Kathy and Rick from Washington. They're a little bit older. I would say, well, they're grandparents already, and they own an amazing, successful franchise. They were making money and parking it in a savings account, making less than 1%. And what they decided to do one day is jump into real estate after thinking about it for years. And what stopped them is they were older. Real estate is one of the oldest professions on this planet. But you know what? It's the one that creates the most millionaires. It's never too late to get started in real estate investing, and I'm going to give you 3 key reasons why it's not. Get started, and here's how. First, understand that real estate investing has created the most millionaires in our lifetime. Why not you? Second, take on real estate investing with a vengeance. Take it on as if it's your next big project. If you treat it like a business, it will pay you like a business. And third, if you feel like you're getting a late start, there's nothing that can help you catch up like real estate investing. Take the time to educate yourself about real estate and jump in with 2 feet. It will truly make a difference for your financial future. To kick off the education on how to get started, download my Frustrated Investor's Guide to Passive Income. Go to cashflowsavvy.com and grab your free copy.